Sit. Oh. Oh, Jim falls down. Hey. Want to say hi? Hi. Wow. Shoelace. Let's see if you can sit again. Oh. Hey, dump. Well, not in the mood? Kinda? There. You sit better when you have something to look at. Oh. Painting tape. Very cool. You're such a good sitter. You're such a big boy. Yay! Oh, don't fall over. Okay. You alright, little dude? There you go. Whoa. You're not in here very often, huh? Okay. Okay, you can keep the tape. That's fine.